Boom. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? Obviously, I'm not doing well. Thank you for asking. Body beat down here on this really early Friday morning. Woke up at 2 a.m. just after 3 a.m. I thought I'd go ahead and get a walk. I've not really done a dark walk here in this neighborhood since we've been here, I don't think. Our old neighborhood, I used to get out and go ahead and walk and get it done with at all kind of hours. But it was a nice dead end, little subdivision. Not quite exactly where we're at now, so now here I got on my reflective yellow vest that you see me wear when I go for bike rides. And yes, I do have my flashlight as well. And I thought, well, I think it's supposed to rain today, even storm. I think we had some blow through earlier last night. I thought, well, go ahead and get going and try to beat the rain if we have rain and get this done. And if I can get something else done later, well, that'll be good. Get some outdoor exercise done. With the tire, of course. Maybe jumping rope. See where I'm going here. So anyway, let's walk a little bit. Of course, my main concern through here is snakes. In my own neighborhood, I went for a night walk and I had a strange feeling that I was going to run up on a snake. And the very second that I turned my light on or whatever it was, I can't remember what I did, but I just, boom, there was a snake. So, and it was right in front of me, like, you know, right there in front. Pretty crazy how that just kind of happens. How you have a weird feeling about something, and then there it is. So this is that paved little trail you guys see me go on all the time over here by the school. We'll just make our way around and then head back home. So, for some odd reason, I'm just kind of having a conversation with myself. Not that that's odd. I talk to myself all the time. Seriously. But, just got to thinking about being accepted or socially important. And it all kind of started whenever I was thinking, again, to myself and talking to myself about, you know, why we have certain jobs and why we go for X amount of money, and you know, instead of trying to go for happiness. And for some reason it just got me to thinking about a lot of us in our youth, you know, we want to be accepted by the masses, by our peers. So we ask momsies and dads, grandparents, whoever, to get us the latest pair of Nikes, the latest pair of Guess jeans, or for the girls, I guess maybe Jordache, or yeah, I'm dating myself a little bit here. And then I got to thinking, you know, if people don't accept you or like you being dressed, you know, respectively decent in a pair of Rustlers or Wranglers or what have you, then, you know, they're not going to respect you anymore wearing those clothes that put you or put someone else in debt, or maybe putting you in debt. You're either socially accepted or you're not. And it's not really dependent technically on what you're wearing. Yeah, it can help, because that's just how superficial and odd humans are. But we put ourselves in this debt that we're in. You know, most people, we're all in debt, from our homes to cars and credit cards and, you know, lifestyle stuff that we feel like we gotta have. And we stress ourselves out our entire lives by feeling like we got to keep up with everyone and have everything all the time. And, you know, it makes me appreciate and respect my mom and grandma so much more. You know, how they grew up, and then, of course, you know, doing what they did to give us everything that we had. And you just get to thinking about things like that, and really how unimportant stuff is. Name brands, you know, wearing something that costs more and you think it's better, or your car costs more so you think it's better, or it's a certain, you know, make or model or whatever. Humans are weird, and we're really detrimental to our own well-being because of that kind of stuff. not just from the debt that it can put us in, but the mindset that it puts you in. And then a lot of times affects how you look at others and treat others. So, just something I was thinking about on my walk. Well, guys, I'm just about home. Hope everybody has a good day. Take care of yourself inside and out. And while you do that, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the Body Beatdown. And don't forget, guys, get up, get out, get rad, do it to it, and we'll see you next time on the Body Beatdown.
Get up, get out, get rad, and do it to it!